Hello, I'm Scott Douglas with MarineMax of Wrightsville Beach, and today we're going to take a look at the incredible Scout 357 LXF. Starting at the stern, you'll notice we have triple 400 Verados with custom gray inserts for paint on the motors. It's a great touch. Awesome stern seat that folds up and gets out of your way when you are fishing. Transom fish box and live well built in. Then you also have a great opposed seating here with a nice cutting board, flip up seat. Moving up towards the helm area, you have a push button sunroof here that acts as a sunshade aft, triple helm seats, skyhook and joystick control, triple Garmin displays here at the helm. Let's go forward, take a look. In the bow area, you'll notice this great lounge seat with storage underneath. You also have molded in seats forward for great seating, windlass, accent lighting throughout, and you also have a push button table that comes up out of the floor. In the cabin of the 357, you have a really nice convertible bed or seating area, freshwater sink, head, and refrigeration. Thanks for joining me on the walkthrough of the 357 Scout. If you'd like to see this boat in person, my name's Scott Douglas. I can be reached at 910-256-8100.